is a great project on recycling in honor of Earth Day tomorrow. These notebooks are so fun to make and to give to friends and family. It is easy to hang on to boxes after you finish a snack and turn them into something useful. You will need the following: old boxes, Mod Podge, a thin paintbrush, large binder clips, craft sticks, a paper cutter, and notebook paper. I'm using a pack that has been lying around for a few years. Decide what size your notebook will be based on the boxes you have and trim the edges. Use your paper cutter to cut the paper down to the size you need. Sandwich the paper in between your two cardboard boxes. Line everything in place until the edges are even. This will be the spine of the notebook. Place the craft stick on the front and back of your notebook and secure it with a binder clip. This will hold the book in place while you bind the sides with glue. Remove one of the binder clips and apply an even coat of Mod Podge. Move the binder clip to the side you just glued and add glue to the other side. Let it dry and repeat the process 2 more times. When dry, remove the clips and sticks and enjoy. Give them as a gift or keep one in your car for a handy way to jot down notes. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.